Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Butler County in south-central Alabama, southeastern Monroe County in south-central Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in south-central Alabama, Conecuh County in south-central Alabama, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Monroeville to 6 miles east of Uriah to Porch Creek Reservation, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Interstate 65 and Highway 84, Frisco City, Peterman, Repton, McCullough, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 113, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 21, Uriah, Excel, McKenzie, Monroeville, Georgiana, Castleberry, Porch Creek Reservation, and Evergreen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for South Central Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Butler, Conecuh, Escambia, and Monroe. This is NOAA Weather Radio.